Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're just looking at an envelope. Let's go! Okay, so if you are like me and you have a good number of Heroclix in your collection, then you probably also find ways to store your cards. Okay, I do it myself personally using a binder. So I use a typical 9-packet page binder, okay, to store all my Heroclix collection. Okay, so usually I sort them by carded figures, uncarded figures, as well as Silver Age and Modern will have their own binders. Okay, and this is quite thick as a binder. Okay, this one, as you can see, I have some notes here on sticky notes that would say this is AAOU. Okay, and I have Scarlet Witch and Quicksilver for that set. And like for this set, this is for Avengers Assemble. Okay, and I only have this 5 figures. Okay, but this doesn't look nice. Okay, and once you get a lot of cards, then you would it will be hard for you to know where is the set that you're looking for and differentiate the sections of your binder. Okay, and that is the reason why I am going to show you what I plan to do. Okay, and that is to print out Flypages. Okay, so these Flypages, as the name suggests, will be placed on a whole page binder. Okay, whole page Ultra Pro page. Okay, just one single. And then after I place them as such, for example, I hope it fits. Okay, it should fit. So I printed out some Google images of different sets, okay, boosters, most of the time. Okay, so I'll insert this in between the pages. So for Mutation and Monsters, as this is the first set that I have here, okay, I probably need to go and print some more for that Avengers one. I think I mostly printed X-Men related Flypages. Okay, but this is Mutant and Monsters. So instead of Mutations and Monsters, so instead of using this sticky paper, okay, post-it, then I'm going to remove that, and in place of that, we'll put a Flypage indicating Mutations and Monsters. Okay, so that's the general idea. And what's good is that these ones are a bit longer than the other binders. Okay, so you can clearly differentiate it. Okay, so when you go at the binders, when you look at them, so you can see them sticking out. Okay, so that will be easier for me to access certain sections of my binder. Okay, so what are your thoughts? You can share it in the comments while I show you guys the other ones I printed. Giant Size X-Men, Wolverine and the X-Men, Regenesis, Rise and Fall. This is Civil War. I think AVX, X-Men Animated, Days of Future Past, Deadpool, Uncanny X-Men, Deadpool X-Force, House of X, X-Men and Savior, X of Swords, and finally the X of Sword standard storyline organized play. Okay, so I'm going to put them in their respective places. So bye bye.